Imagine a shop that deliberately sells something at a loss. Every single sale, the owner waves goodbye to money. Sounds like the fastest way to go broke, right? Wrong. It's actually one of the smartest, sneakiest strategies in all of business. And once you see it, you'll spot it everywhere you shop. Welcome to Analogy Studio. Today, the loss leader strategy. How losing money on purpose on one little product can quietly make you rich on everything else. Picture a busy roadside corner at 8 in the morning. The air smells like frying oil and cardamom. There's a small chai stall here, run by a man named Raju. Steam curling off his giant kettle, a tray of golden samosas stacked beside him. Raju sells his samosas for 5 rupees each. Cheapest samosa on the whole street. People line up for them. Here's the catch. Each samosa costs Raju 7 rupees to make. The potatoes, the oil, the flour, the gas. So every time someone hands him 5 rupees for a samosa, Raju quietly loses 2 rupees. Terrible business, you'd think. His neighbor, a grumpy vendor named Mohan 2 stalls down, certainly thinks so. "You're a fool, Raju," Mohan grumbles. "Selling below cost. You'll be shut by winter." But wait. Watch what happens next. A morning customer, let's call him Suresh, a rickshaw driver who stops here every single day, buys a samosa for 5 rupees, and then, like clockwork, he says the same thing he always says. "Ik chai bhi de do." 1 chai too. That chai? It costs Raju just 3 rupees to make, and he sells it for 20 rupees. That's 17 rupees of pure profit in a single small glass. So let's do Raju's real math, the math Mohan never bothered to do. 2 rupees lost on the samosa, 17 rupees gained on the chai. Net result, 15 rupees profit per customer. And nobody buys just 1 chai. The samosa was never the point. The samosa is the bait. It pulls the crowd in. The chai is where the money quietly piles up. Late one evening, counting his cash, Raju smiles to himself. Mohan sells his samosas at a profit and stands there alone. I sell mine at a loss, and my line never ends. What Raju stumbled onto has a name. The loss leader strategy. You sell one product below cost on purpose to pull customers through the door, and then make your real money on the profitable things they buy once they're inside. Map it back to the stall. The cheap samosa is the loss leader. The chai is the profit engine. Raju trades a tiny 2 rupee loss for a fat 17 rupee win, again and again, all day long. And this isn't just a chai stall trick. Some of the biggest companies on earth run on it. Razors. The handle is sold cheap, almost given away. The blades you keep buying forever? That's the profit. Printers, sold shockingly cheap. The ink cartridges cost a fortune by the milliliter. Amazon's Kindle, sold near cost. Then every ebook you buy keeps the money flowing back for years. Gaming consoles. A PS5 is often sold at a loss. The games and subscriptions are the chai. Supermarkets, milk and bread sit cheap at the back wall. You walk in for 2 things and leave with 20. Why does this work so reliably? It gets customers in the door. The hardest part of any sale. It builds habit and loyalty, so they come back tomorrow, like Suresh. The loss is small and controlled. The upsell is large and repeated. And competitors who won't sell at a loss simply can't match your entry price. So they can't pull the crowd. Sometimes the smartest way to make money is to lose a little. Strategically, on purpose, with your eyes open. Remember 3 things. 1. The cheapest item is often the one designed to cost the seller money and earn it back on everything beside it. 2. The loss leader only works if there's a profitable chai next to the samosa. 3. The next time a price seems too good to be true, ask yourself what they're really selling you. Because the samosa is never the real business. The chai is. Understanding this one truth changes how you see every shop, every deal, every amazing offer forever. Subscribe. Business Strategies Simplified.